And I saw you on the next video. And this time, we're gonna eat it. I bet it will taste great. Let's start eating. Delicious. For you, it'll be awesome. This is delicious. And once I finish, the video is gonna end. So, we could do it. So.
And you already ate one. That's why you see that, because she ate one and I ate one, and now she's eating the second one. And keep it over that so you don't make a mess.
And next time, goodbye, guys.
Don't talk while you're eating. It's getting ready to fall.
And I'll see you next time. Goodbye, guys.
Say it again.
And I'll see you next time. Goodbye, guys.